This is your News Minute for Friday, September 15th. Hello, I'm Christine Peck, Chief Communications Officer for the Poway Unified School District. It's Hispanic Heritage Month. Rancho Bernardo students got a surprise visit from a mariachi band at lunchtime to kick off a month of cultural celebrations. Rancho Bernardo and Bernardo Heights students met with Congressman Scott Peters and Health and Human Services Deputy Secretary Andrea Palm to discuss topics affecting students' well-being, including suicide awareness, gun violence, and mental health. The students' initial input several years ago helped form the basis of national legislation called the Stand-Up Act. Unity Day at Del Norte High School brought together freshmen to ensure their smooth transition into high school. Students discussed their progress so far and participated in bonding activities. Have you heard of International Dot Day? Sundance Elementary students had a blast celebrating creativity and collaboration through STEAM activities. Dot Day is celebrated by students and teachers around the world. Keep the magic going, Poway Unified. That was your News Minute.